Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this recipe for you, Tsp Congo. It's pigeon peas soup. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I am using dried pigeon peas and frozen pigeon peas. I like to mix both of them together because it gives it a really good flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure my peas. I am using 1 cup of the dried peas and 1 cup of the frozen one. If you can get the fresh one, that would be perfect, but we don't have the fresh one in America. Anyway, so I added a scallion, 4 cloves, 4 garlic cloves, a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil, and let it boil. So it's gonna take a while. So you're gonna keep adding water occasionally. Every time it needs water, you're gonna go ahead and add water until it's fully cooked. And this is the frozen beans. I'm gonna go ahead and add it. So 1 cup of frozen beans and 1 cup of dried beans. So you're gonna go ahead and add it and let it cook for an additional 45 minutes. So the dried beans took about an hour to cook, and the frozen beans, you add that to it, take about an hour and 45 minutes for all the beans to be fully cooked. You see, it's very mushy. That's how you want it to be, really soft. So now we're gonna go ahead and blend the beans. You're gonna blend it with everything, the scallion, the garlic, just more flavor. So once the bean is cooled down, go ahead and add it to the blender. I am leaving a little bit, about half a cup of the beans. So this is about, in the pot for the red. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend the beans. I like a little bit of beans in mine, but you don't have to just blend everything if you want. Depends on the kind of blender you're using. You may need to use a strainer, you may not. It's all up to you. But I'm using a strainer this time because I want to, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. So you're gonna do it like a few different times until you strain everything. So once you've strained your peas, we're gonna go ahead and we're not throwing that pulp away. We're gonna take the pulp and set it aside in a bowl because we're gonna add water to it. So I am using 16 ounces of water. You're gonna put a little bit in the blender, the pitcher, and rinse it a little bit because we're not wasting anything. And put it in the pulp, and then you're gonna give it a quick stir and then strain it again so we can get everything out. And add the remainder of the water in there too. And just get everything out and then strain it one last time and just throw it out now because we don't need it anymore. We've got everything we needed. So now we're gonna go ahead and season the soup sauce. So I added fresh parsley and fresh thyme, and I added my cloves and the red bell pepper so that way it's not all over the sauce. And I added 3 bay leaves, a scotch bonnet pepper, optional if you want, 1 Maggi bouillon cube, chicken bouillon cube, and 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Any salt, it doesn't matter, any salt. I just have that one, I like that one, so yeah. And of course my favorite all-purpose chicken seasoning, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of it. And some olive oil. You may use coconut oil, whatever oil that you have, it's fine. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, give it a quick stir and let it come to a boil. So you're gonna let it boil for about 20 minutes until it starts thickening up like this. You see this? It's like done right now. Let it boil and it's thick. You see the little peas in there? I love it like that. And we're gonna finish it up with 2 tablespoons of butter. Once you add your butter, just go ahead and shut off your heat because it's done. It's ready to be served. Honestly guys, this is one of my favorite black bean sauce, soup, whatever you want to call it, Tsp Congo is one of my favorite. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you have tried it. I hope that you do. And thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day. And thank you for watching. I hope you do give it a try. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you.